This doesn't look like a family SUV anymore. The moment the lights come on, the stance hits you, and that wide body fills the frame. You realize this Durango is playing a very different game. The Durango has always lived in a unique space. It's never been the soft, quiet background SUV. It's always carried muscle car DNA into a family-sized body. But with this new generation, Dodge doesn't just update the Durango, they sharpen it. From the first front view, the design tells a clear story. This SUV looks lower, wider, and more planted. It feels intentional. Nothing looks accidental. Start at the front. The full-width LED light bar stretches cleanly across the face, framing the bold Dodge lettering like a signature. The headlights sit slim and focused, giving the Durango a serious, almost intimidating expression. There's no oversized grille here, just a smooth, modern surface that feels futuristic but still aggressive. Move to the side profile and the proportions really shine. The body looks long and confident, with strong character lines that run clean from front to rear. The wheels fill the arches perfectly, giving the Durango a wide, athletic stance without looking bulky. This is an SUV that looks fast even when it's parked. Around the back, the Durango doubles down on identity. The connected LED tail lights glow sharply across the tailgate, instantly recognizable at night. Dual exhaust outlets on both sides remind you that this isn't just about style, it's about attitude. Inside, the transformation continues. The cabin feels modern, clean, and driver-focused. A wide digital display stretches across the dashboard, blending infotainment and driver information into one seamless layout. The steering wheel looks thick and purposeful, the center console feels solid, and the materials give off a premium, performance-oriented vibe. This is a space designed for driving, not just commuting. But here's the big question. Can the Durango really balance this bold, performance-driven design with everyday practicality? That aggressive exterior sets high expectations. People will assume it sacrifices comfort for style. They'll wonder if it's too stiff, too loud, or too focused on looks. And with so many SUVs now chasing minimalism and efficiency, Dodge is clearly going in the opposite direction. That's a risk. And that's exactly why this Durango stands out. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone. It embraces what it is. The design feels confident, not flashy. The interior feels modern, not complicated. And visually, this Durango looks ready to compete with performance SUVs that cost far more. From the lighting signatures, to the wide stance, to the driver-focused cockpit, everything works together to create a clear identity. This isn't just another three-row SUV, it's a statement. If you want something that looks strong, feels bold, and refuses to blend into traffic, the 2027 Dodge Durango makes a very strong case. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me bring you more future car content like this. So the real question is this: is the 2027 Dodge Durango the last true muscle SUV standing? Or the beginning of a new era for performance family vehicles? Let me know what you think in the comments.